Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for installing an amplified Hideaway antenna on my 79 Bronco. I've included the links to all the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it. The existing antenna mast was broken off when I bought this Bronco. Originally, they were operable, so they would retract down when you turn the vehicle off, go back up when you give power to your stereo. I've had an antenna like this in the past where it was a problem forgetting to turn the radio off before going through a car wash or hitting some trails off-road. You snag a limb and it just snaps it right off. So I didn't want to continue having that problem of breaking the antenna off. This is from Retro Antenna. All you need is a 12-volt power, and there is a power antenna plug on the whip for my stereo. So I'll be able to plug it in there, plug in the radio plug on the back side of that head unit, and then I'm planning on putting the Hideaway amplifier portion of the antenna up along the headliner here. It comes with double stick tape, so I'm gonna see if I can tuck it back in this corner here. Then I'll route these cables down towards the front and over to my stereo. Okay, so sometimes just twisting that fish tape can help you navigate the space differently. It was kind of getting caught up on a seam somewhere in the interior of the body, but just by twisting it, I was able to get it to come out here. So now what I'll do is I'll use electrical tape. I'm gonna tape these to the end of the fish tape here and pull it through. All right, so now we have it there. Just kind of feed and pull, nice and easy. And I already have it through. So I've got it a little bit further down, like right here. And reason being is when I do get the headliner installed, I just don't want it to interfere with how the headliner comes in. But also what I'm thinking about doing here is unscrewing this screw, slipping the ground in, and just grounding it off of the screw here. So it should give it a good ground. First thing I could do is take this double stick tape off and apply this.
It's a good idea to clean the area that you plan to stick the antenna before using the double stick tape.
All right, so when I get my headliner in here, this should cover up that ground screw, and that way I'm not having to run it all the way down and screw it in somewhere else. This should work out really nice. So now that I've got that done, I'm gonna work on the rest of my routing here, do that final connection, and then zip tie it up nice and clean. Have my heat shrink already on the other side. All right, I'm just gonna run the heat gun, use my shrink wrap. All right, simple as that. Now I'll just need to use some zip ties, clean all this up so it's nice and tight and out of the way, and that's it. Simple as that, installing a Hideaway antenna. Thank you for watching this how-to video for installing an amplified Hideaway antenna. If you enjoyed it, smash down that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.